Finally, that time of the year where every other person, including me, is giving some gyan about 2025. New Year resolutions, setting new goals, and being the best version of yourself. But the irony is that most of the things or tips that other people are telling you, you already know them. But until and unless you don't want to make it, it's never going to happen. In this video, I'm not going to tell you to focus on all the aspects of your life, be it finance, your health, your relationships, and your career. बिकॉज ऐसा हो ही नहीं सकता कि आप एक ही साल के अंदर मसल भी बना लोगे, किसी कंपनी के सीईओ भी बन जाओगे, आपको सोलमेट भी मिल जाएगा एंड आप 1 करोड़ भी कमा लोगे. दैट्स नेवर गोइंग टू हैपन. लेकिन अगर आप में से किसी के साथ भी ऐसा हो रहा है, देन आपके ऊपर पक्का पूकी बाबा का आशीर्वाद है. ओके, जोक्स अपार्ट, I want to narrow it down to the most important aspect of your life, your career. Because let's just be honest, career is the foundation of all the other aspects in your life. So, in this video, I'm going to share 6 such things that you should do in 2025 which will change your life. And I'm not saying this just to make this video. I'm genuinely saying this because अगर आप लोगों में से किसी ने ऐसा कर लिया ना, यानी कि वो 6 चीज़ें जो मैं बताने वाली हूँ वो फॉलो कर ली ना, you yourself will thank me later and will experience a 360-degree shift in your life. Number 1, 2 hours of studies. चाहे जो हो जाए, you have to dedicate 2 hours daily in your studies. Now you may say कि मैं तो एक working professional हूँ, मुझे पढ़ाई करने की क्या ज़रूरत है. Now that's where you are wrong. Because technology is evolving every single day. The technology that was actually relevant 2 years before is not even relevant now. So you need to upskill yourself. And the saying goes like this: the more you learn, the more you earn. Now talking about all the students. अब आप लोगों को लग सकता है कि 2 घंटे पढ़ाई करके हमारा क्या फ़ायदा हो जाएगा. सो लेट मी रिमाइंड यू, तो 3 महीने पहले जो आप लोगों ने स्किल सेट या टेक्नोलॉजी सोची थी, जो आपको उस टाइम तक सीख लेनी चाहिए थी, क्या आपने अभी तक भी सीखी है? हाँ या ना? यू ऑलरेडी नो द आंसर योर सेल्फ. इवन आई नो कि ऐसे बहुत सारे दिन रहे होंगे जहाँ पे आपने 3 से 4 घंटे भी पढ़ाई की होगी. बट दोज डेज वर एक्चुअली वेरी फ्यू. क्योंकि ज़्यादातर दिन तो ऐसे होते थे जहाँ आप प्लानिंग तो बहुत अच्छी करते थे बट करते कुछ नहीं थे. सो इन दैट वे यू जस्ट मेड अ इल्यूजन ऑफ योर सेल्फ स्टडिंग. लेट्स ब्रेक इट डाउन. Think of those 2 hours as an investment. Just imagine that 2 hours daily for a year will be 700 hours in total. Just imagine the kind of skills that you can master, the kind of knowledge that you should gain, and the kind of dreams that you always held will be turned into a reality. The difference between people who stay stagnant and those people who succeed is not talent or luck, it's consistency. But let me tell you something that's even more powerful. The habit of something isn't just about subject matter, it's about showing up for yourself on an everyday basis. On those days, also, when your motivation is low, it's about proving to yourself that your future is worth the effort. Number 2, connecting with good people. Connecting with good people is just like planting seeds to the fertile land. They helps the environment you grow in and influences the person you become. They help to uplift you, they share knowledge and wisdom. Every interaction with the right person is an opportunity to learn. Good people share their experiences, insights, and advice. They give you a certain kind of perspective that you might not have even encountered. Their wisdom can help you to make better decisions and avoid some common pitfalls. We often connect with people who gives us comfort and never challenges us. But remember, ऐसे तो आप सिर्फ एक कुएं के छोटे से मेंढक बन के रह जाओगे. You will never realize your true potential because you will never compete with yourself to become the best version of you. Number 3, understand time. Time is the most precious resource nowadays. Once money can be earned back, but time once spent can never be earned back. Every day we are given with 24 hours, no more, no less. How you use them is entirely up to you. Remember, experiences and opportunity have an expiry date. The sooner you act, the more you will achieve. ऑफन यू मस्ट हैव हर्ड पीपल सेइंग कि हर चीज़ का एक वक्त होता है, एंड कहीं ना कहीं तक ये बात ठीक भी है, बिकॉज राइट नाउ you might be a student or a working professional in their early careers. You don't have many responsibilities. You can invest your time anywhere as per your will. No one is gonna ask you anything. The way you spend your time reflects what truly matters to you. Every hour wasted is an opportunity lost to work on your dreams, build meaningful connections, improve yourself. Ask yourself, is what I'm doing right now helping me to get closer to my goals? If you do this on a regular basis, then 2-3 सालों के बाद you won't regret seeing your own friends getting successful in their career, एंड यू वॉन्ट बी थिंकिंग कि जब ये उस टाइम पे इतना ज़्यादा उखाड़ रहे थे तो तब हम क्या कर रहे थे. हियर आई एम नॉट सेइंग कि इंजॉय मत करो या फिर अपने दोस्तों के साथ बाहर मत जाओ, बट विद दैट प्लीज ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड द वैल्यू ऑफ टाइम मैनेजमेंट. नंबर 4, एक्सप्लोरिंग अ साइड हसल. अब नहीं तो कभी नहीं. 2025 is the best time to explore your own side hustle, because being very honest, relying on a single source of income is going to be very risky in future, and that's why finding a side hustle is more important than ever. Here's why it can be a game changer for you. Number 1, of course, financial security. A side hustle creates an additional source of income, which means that you are not putting all your eggs into one basket, which further means you can enjoy a better quality of life, you can pay off your debts, you can save more for your future. Number 2, exploring your passion. Your side hustle doesn't have to feel like work. It can be an outlet of your creativity or something that you are truly passionate about, whether it's writing, whether it's photography, whether it's anything. It can provide you a lot of joy and fulfillment. Like, for example, in my case, it's content creation. Number 3, skill development. A side hustle challenges you to learn new skill and broaden your expertise. These skills can often enhance your main job or even open doors to new career opportunities. Finding a side hustle isn't just about money. It's about growth, your passion, finding what you actually love. Start small and stay consistent, and just watch how those extra hours can transform your whole life. The best time is to start now. Number 5, personality growth. Have you ever wondered that why some people seem to shine in any room they walk into, and why they are able to handle every challenge with grace, inspires others effortlessly, and seem genuinely content with their life? The secret lies in their personality growth. Every now and then, try to analyze your own personality and just check the loopholes that you might be having, and try to analyze that how can you improve, how can you become the best version of yourself. What are the things that you lack? What are your weaknesses and what are your strong areas? Just try to check if you are really improving every single day, and just dig deeper and just analyze, are you really a changed person from 1 year back? It's not about changing who you actually are, it's about uncovering your true potential. And this journey is for everyone. Even if a person is watching this video and thinking that they are having the best personality out there, but still, I would say, still there is a scope of improvement. Number 6, invest in yourself. This is the most important point and rather ignored by all the people, because people forget to invest in themselves. Here, I'm not talking solely about materialistic things. I'm also talking about all those things which actually add some value in your life. If you want to buy that course, just buy it. If you want to learn a new skill that will enhance your personality, just learn that skill. Even if that means you're spending some amount of money, that's totally fine. In later years, you will earn that chunk of money, but these precious years are never going to be come back. So 2025 is just not another year. It's a new opportunity for you all to rewrite your story. Remember, it's not about how much you do in a single day. It's about showing up every day. Comment below and let me know your top career priority for 2025. Let's make this year the year you stop planning and start executing. And remember, consistency is the key. Thank you so much if you have watched this video till here. Let's grow together.